climb the mountains and get their good tidings. Nature's peace will flow into you as sunshine flows into trees. The winds will blow their own freshness into you, and the storms their energy, while cares will drop off like autumn leaves. Do you find yourself trying to focus on what's important in life? There is a perfect solution right here on our doorsteps. It's healthy, it's sociable, and it's free. The outdoors. Where we live is amazing. It's got to be one of the most beautiful parts of Scotland. You would think that we couldn't get enough of being outside. But that's not the case for everyone in Argyll and Bute. Many of us struggle to get involved with groups and their communities and end up isolating, and that's a really bad impact on their mental and physical health. All kinds of daily outdoor activity is making all kinds of different people feel better in all kinds of different ways.
Being outside, that's like my therapy, I suppose. So I work in a school, so I'm indoor a lot of the time. So when I get outside, that's when I can relax, get in touch with nature, get my exercise. It's just where I choose to be, that's where I feel most comfortable.
I've always had a sense of resetting and getting refreshed from being outside, and it's always worked in terms of putting aside or even just space to sort of think about things differently that are happening.
It's just a feast for all your senses, you know, you can hear things, you can see things, you can smell things, you can feel, you know, the wind in your skin. It's just great. You feel good, you feel healthy. It makes us all feel better being outside and having fresh air, a bit of exercise mentally and physically. It's good just to be outside and to see how things change, how what's around you, see the seasons change.
I love the fresh air, it makes me feel more awake. I love being out in all weathers, so I like that kind of I love being rained on and getting really cold and wet to go back inside afterwards.
From the very old to the youngest, people in Argyll and Bute are building activity into their everyday lives by walking, playing, running, volunteering, and participating in all kinds of outdoor activity, which just makes them feel better. That's if you're not too busy blethering. John Muir would be proud. Warning, the outdoors is known to give some side effects, such as addiction to nature, being in happy moods for no apparent reason, and making long-term friendships. See the full terms and conditions at your favourite local woodland.
Even if you're not an outdoorsy person, you can't help but notice how calm it makes you and how you just get time to think and stop and not listen to anything but yourself.
Even when it's pelting down with rain, that has a certain quality, doesn't it? It's
definitely.
I love about this part of the world is the weather can be quite extreme, so you get to experience lots of different outdoor experiences.
Yeah, as long as you get the right gear on, and you can always buy the right gear.
There's that old saying, isn't there? There's no such thing as bad weather, only bad clothes.
We'll say clothes anyway.